Hi, it's Bethany. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm unboxing this PurpleTrail planner that I received. PurpleTrail reached out and asked if I'd be interested in checking out these planners and becoming an affiliate, to which I said absolutely. So here is this new planner. When I was looking on the website, actually there are so many choices. They have a lot of different custom planner options. And you'll see the cover I got is actually more of an Erin Condren style cover, but there are so many cover options. There are so many layout options and a couple size options as well. So right now I'm actually recording this as a voiceover. I don't usually do these, but when I recorded the actual video of this, my voice was gone. So that's if this video looks a little bit different. That is why. So the planner came packaged really nicely in several layers of packaging to keep it nice and safe. Once we actually tear into this thing and take a look at it, we'll see it came with a few different card and information options. That first one is a kind of thank you and discount code. The next one is a little bit more about their social media here. And then we've got this really cool brochure that shows a lot of the different custom products that they offer. So PurpleTrail does do a lot of different kinds of paper products and different stationery items. And so if you're interested in anything like that, highly recommend checking them out. All right, so here's the planner itself. It came wrapped in this kind of cellophane wrapping to, again, keep it super protected. And we will just tear this open here. And this card that came with it, they do something similar to plum paper where you can enter on Instagram, use the hashtag, and possibly win. And so definitely recommend checking that out if you're checking out PurpleTrail. I also do have an affiliate link in the description box below if you're interested in customizing your own PurpleTrail planner. All right, so here's the planner itself. Like I mentioned before, this you can see it's more of that Erin Condren style cover. It's very shiny with this gold foil. I got to pick out of one of several different cover options. They have so many options, it's crazy. I just want to show you how it's kind of sized up with the A5 size. So it is similar. The one I got is a smaller planner option. They do have a larger one as well. All right, opening the book itself, we start with this name page. It just says, if found, please contact, where you can customize that, put your name, what have you. Turning into the first page, we have the holidays, and it lists them for 21 and 22, which I thought was really cool. These holidays look to be kind of your basic USA holidays. And when we turn the page, we have that year at a glance with the 2021 calendar and the 2022 calendar. I love how colorful this is. This is a colorful planner. They also do have a neutral option as well. So the tabs themselves are more of a thicker cardstock than the rest of the planner. I'll talk about the paper in a little bit here, but here is that first kind of dashboard. So it's got birthdays and events and things to remember, all listing on this kind of first page in the month. When you get to the monthly view, it is very similar to a lot of other planner layouts, and that you've got your notes on the right and your weeks in the middle. And then here is the layout I got. So I got the daily layout, and I'm so excited for this one because it has an area to put what's happening during the day and then to-do lists, which is just perfect. The paper itself feels a little bit heavier than a plum paper and a little bit more texture to it, but not quite as much as like an Erin Condren where it has that extra tooth and grit to it. But the paper is an 80 pound with 120 GSM paper and all ethically sourced. At the back of the month, so this is a dispersed fitness tracker, and I think this one is really nice. It's just got an area for goals up top. You can track your measurement, track your motivation, track notes, and this progress chart is something that's kind of new. I've never tried that, but excited to check it out for sure. On the back of the fitness tracker, there's an area to put your weight, kind of counting down throughout the weeks, and then also you could track like your best lifts or your best running time, something like that. Keep that track throughout the month, which I'm excited to give that a shot. Looking at the monthly colors, you can see in October, November, we got kind of green, then we move into blues, December through January, and then it kind of, I believe, turns into, purple for February, and then more of a plum color for March, maybe a magenta, I guess you'd call it. And then I got some notes pages at the back here. So it's just a bunch of notes pages. I have noticed that I really like taking notes in my daily planner for work. And so it's a nice place just to keep all that stuff at the back instead of intertwined throughout the rest of my book. I also got the option to add on a pocket folder at the back. There's pocket on both sides. And then you kind of come to the end of the book. So again, totally customizable. There's so many options. I didn't even use all of them, but I am really, really excited about this book. So thank you so much to PurpleTrail for reaching out to me to check out this planner and share it with you all. And this is going to be my daily book for a while. So I'm excited to show you some daily plan with me's in this book moving forward. But that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and we will chat soon. Bye, guys.